Cash Disbursement Journal is a record-keeping tool within QuickBooks that allows users to track and document all outgoing cash payments made by a business. It is a centralized ledger that provides a comprehensive overview of cash transactions and enables better financial control. Open your QuickBooks account and click Business Overview and select Reports. Now search Transaction Detail by Account in the search bar. Click this month to date and select the date range you want. To make the report more specific, use the filter option. Here to get a report for a checking account, I am applying with the operations. Then add a filter and enter transaction type, equals, and payment. Click Save. Now your transaction detail by account has been saved in a custom report. To access the saved transaction detail by account report in the future, navigate back to the Reports section. Look for the Custom Reports option. You can find your saved transaction detail by account report there. By following these steps, you can tailor the transaction detail by account report based on your preferences and easily access it from the Custom Reports section in QuickBooks.